Hello everyone, welcome to FPL Subs. In today's video we have the below topics: Game Week 9 points and analysis, Game Week 10 team and transfers. Let us quickly go through the Game Week 9 Dream Team, the kings of the Game Week. Bruno Fernandes is again in the Dream Team, and this time he also represented my team. Not only him, I have two more players there. Dominic Calvert-Lewin is converting each and every chance into goals, and patience with Son has also paid off, as both of them make it into the dream team. Liverpool thrashed Leicester with two of their wingbacks secured place with assist and bonus points. Brighton got their upper hand over Aston Villa. That reflects on the dream team by the selection of two of their players. Solly March and Danny Welbeck, one goal each and bonus points are the ones to keep an eye on, as Brighton have comparatively good fixtures after the Liverpool game. Arsenal and Leeds match ended goalless, and as a result, three players from defense earned place in the dream team. The last entry is in midfield, where Doucouré registered his first attacking return. My final Game Week 9 point is 67, as I have taken a -4 point hit with an extra transfer, and that may continue this game week. But let's that discuss later. My transfer in defense has failed for this game week, so surgery in defense may continue. McCarthy is the best decision I have made as a goalkeeper pick at the start of the season, and he is doing very well for my team. Grealish and Watkins failed miserably this week, but three double-digit hauls and dream team candidate have raised the bar of my team. I got the captaincy right again, now only blank twice in 9 game weeks, and that helped me to get back to back green arrows in last few game weeks. My squad value is now 95.1 at the time of recording, and I have 5.2 in the bank. My rank is around 600k now, with which I am very happy, and I would like to give a special mention to Reece James. I bought him in game week 3 where he blanked with only 1 point. Then in next match he was benched in game week 4 and resulted 0 point. Next game week he was again benched and came for a cameo, giving me just 1 point in game week 5. His price decreased by 0.1, but I never felt like his place is unsecure, and he started all 4 game weeks after that and contributed 3 clean sheets in the process. A great relief. Without further ado, let's start the surgery. I have taken the next 6 game weeks in consideration, and I am referring Fantasy Football Planner tools from Football Fallout site, link given in the description. Before starting, let me discuss FDR or Fixture Difficulty Ratings. In short, as described in FPL site, we have 5 types of fixture difficulty, starting with very easy rated as 1 up to very hard rated as 5. In between we have easy rated as 2, average rated as 3 and hard rated as 4. So what we will do is put the ratings to all the clubs for next 6 game weeks, and the one with the lowest total is the team with lowest difficulty for next 6 game weeks. As you can see here, the top 3 teams are Aston Villa, Manchester City and Liverpool, with both City and Villa at 15 and Liverpool at 16. I have already bought a Villa defender last game week. My next target in this game week is a City defender, and I may go for a pool defender down the line if my budget helps me with that move. I have not made any transfer till now as the European matches are still going on. I will restrict myself like every game week to do any changes before these matches are over, and even the final change will be done after press conferences. I have watched few matches last weekend. I like the involvement of Laporte and Matip for their respective teams. I am thinking to bring only centre backs for the busy Christmas period, and post Christmas also there are lots of matches from FA Cup and EFL Cup. Even the double game week fixtures will be hopefully scheduled during this period. So there will be couple of matches and wingbacks maybe have rest in this time. So my thought process is to bring the center halves in this time for my team. Here is my full squad without making any transfers. I most probably will captain Bruno Fernandes or Dominic Calvert-Lewin due to their form and favorable fixtures, with a slight advantage for DCL for his home fixture. And also, Bruno's minute in Champions League need to be monitored. I have no plan to wildcard now as I don't trust City that much in attack. They can be eventually included one by one depending upon their performance, and any urgency can be dealt with a free hit. Hope I have given you full team and transfer details and have thoroughly discussed my thoughts about fixture difficulty ratings. If you like the content, please like the video and subscribe the channel. Also, please comment about your thoughts so that I can improve the content more and come with more videos with your inspiration and suggestions. I am planning to discuss further from Football Fallout side and how to bring back Salah in my team. Till then, take care and goodbye from me. Please do like, comment, share the video and please subscribe the channel before leaving. More videos are planned and your involvement will be highly appreciated. Goodbye for now to all my fellow subs. Keep enjoying and see you in the next video.